This video brings us to the final part of this particular module, that is the serial monitor. What do we understand by serial monitor and how do we use it in Arduino IDE? Now, so far, the communication protocols that we have been discussing have been primarily serial communication protocols. And the kind of work that we'll be doing with Arduino or with ESP8266 will look into the serial communication aspects. And hence the term serial monitor becomes of great importance. As you can see on your screen, on the right hand side, there is a snapshot of how an Arduino IDE looks once you download it. On the top right hand corner, there is a red marked symbol which represents serial monitor. If you click on that symbol, a window will open up, which will basically display whatever thing you want to display on it with the help of the code. It can display you the incoming stream of serial data. It can display to you the data stream that you want to input on the device, on the hardware, and all sorts of things that you want to print on it using the serial.print function. Over there, you also will find a button, a drop down, which will give you a list of different baud rates on it. And why is baud rate important? Because we already discussed. In case of protocols like UART, where the common clock signal is absent, baud rates play an important role in data synchronization. So over there, you need to make sure that the baud rate that you select over there is same as the baud rate that you mention in your void setup while initializing the serial monitor using the command serial.begin, and the parenthesis have the baud rate in it. Along with the baud rate drop down, there is a drop down which will help you to select how do you want the data to be printed. Do you want it all in one line? Do you want a new line? Do you want with tabs between? Or all sorts of functions are available over there. The serial monitor is basically a window or a separate terminal, as I already explained you, that helps in communication by receiving and sending serial data and also helps in debugging sketches. Serial monitor is used to receive data from the Arduino and display the data on the screen, and to send data/command from the PC to the Arduino. We can also exchange data between serial monitor Arduino via a USB cable. So in order to use a serial monitor, we must connect Arduino and a laptop via the USB cable. So this is all you need to know about a serial monitor. It is nothing but it's a very simple window, but this simple window is of utmost importance for us because we need to visualize some kind of data. We need to analyze some kind of data, and this will help us in doing that. So definitely do check out the serial monitor window, which will pop up if you select that red marked symbol on the right hand side of your screen and on the right hand side of your Arduino IDE environment. So this brings us to the end of our module number 4 and also the conclusion to all our theoretical modules that we have had so far.